The best way to know Serbia is through food. The oldest native meals know the stories best, and they have been chosen to guide our journey. We recommend sitting comfortably at the dining table and letting the sense of taste wander the paths, natural beauties, towns, and villages of soul food Serbia. We meet Serbia where maps are recipes and tastes are the road signs. Bon appetit and bon voyage. Welcome to Soul Food Serbia. We have discovered the real soul of Serbia. Playful, open, hospitable, and beautiful. Serbia, a place where food is prepared with soul. We invite you to come to us and get to know Soul Food Serbia for yourself.
In Serbia, there are around 9.5 million people. Most of the people live in the capital city, Belgrade. There are over 2 million people living in Belgrade. People say that it's impossible to get bored in the beautiful city of Belgrade. Serbia is well known for many famous people. The majority of Serbians are Orthodox believers, but there are also Muslims, Roman Catholics, and Protestants. Serbia has always been a multicultural and multinational country. The Serbian people have not lost their joyful spirit, nor their sense of humor. And music has always been a way to overcome hardships in Serbia. It has never been a problem finding a friend in Serbia. Wise people say, if you come to Serbia once, you'll always come again. You'll be charmed with the beauty of Serbia's landscapes and, of course, Serbia's traditional food. And in the end, one thing is for sure. Serbia is not only a country, but also an adventure.